We can't identify them, but recently, scores of children were transported from several places of safety: Homestead, Maxfield Park Children's Home, SOS Children Village, and the Salvation Army School for the Blind, and taken to the Jamaica Theological Seminary in St. Andrew for health treat. The gesture was organized by DS Prime Health Services in collaboration with the Kiwanis Club of Kingston. The children were treated to a range of health services, including dental and optical. Dental services in particular are very costly. All the students got free treatment.
Many of these children are from homes, broken homes, especially for the children. So of course, doing this for them and showing them love. So apart from getting their teeth clean and seeing a medical doctor, they have been treated also. So what we do is treat them first, and then we do the cleaning and send them on their way.
President of the Jamaica Theological Seminary, Reverend Garnet Roper, says he was impressed by the spirit of volunteerism and the overwhelming support from corporate Jamaica.
I think what I find is a side of Jamaica you always see, the goodwill, the volunteerism. Over 100 of our students are volunteering today. The doctors, they are volunteering their services. And I think there's just enormous goodwill in this country. Sometimes we miss it.
I'm Kirk Wright with a ray of hope.